you guys. Hey. Anyway, I'm Kimberly K. Welcome to Fantastic Boom What Creations. It's a mess. Boom. Do. As you can see, it's a mess. Okay, my husband tried to call himself cleaning up the kitchen last night. Y'all know how men do. Y'all, they don't know how to clean up. Okay, he did wash some dishes. Okay, but it's a mess. Like, look, I don't know what type of cleaning he did when all this stuff is still like this. So this need to be did. Y'all know eventually y'all have to excuse these floors because you already know that we bought the new floors, which they are over here to go down on the kitchen. We just have not got to it yet. I was hoping it would have been done before Christmas, but you know, life happens and we have not had a chance to put the new floors down. So these floors are messed up. As you can see, like the grout is coming up. The grout is like a what is it, concrete? Am I saying that right? Anyway, this is gonna be redid, and if my husband don't get to it, I'll probably try to get to it myself this weekend. Okay, but anywho, so my plans for today, you guys, today is Monday. I won't start working full-time from home until January 24th. So in the meantime, I just want to get my home together and just get it nice and clean today. Just like get the counters and, you know, like all this stuff right here that you see, all this stuff off the shelves, and put away behind me in the dining room. There's stuff on the table. I want to get all this stuff clean. That shelf over there, I don't even want that. None of that stuff belongs on that shelf. Really, that's supposed to have just been like some glasses and some wines and stuff sit up over there. I just want to get that shelf cleaned up. I don't even know if I still want that shelf and what I want to do with it, but I need to get it cleaned off. Now what I want to do, let me change the camera around for y'all. In here, this is the dining room. As you can see, we vacuum this rug every day, all day. You can see stuff on the rug now. No matter what the kids eat, you're going to see on the rug because it's black rug, is that type of material or fabric or whatever you want to say. I want to switch this black rug from out the dining room and put it in here in the living room. Now, I don't know how it's going to look, but the reason why I want to do that, because I feel like this would be better as far as the type of fabric it is. I feel like it would be better in the dining room, more easier to clean. Now, the only thing about that is, I don't know how it's gonna look since my living room colors are blue. You can see like my fireplace is painted blue, my curtains is blue, you know, my lamps and things like that, and then this is blue. But I plan on getting a new rug for in here. That's my plan, to get a new rug for in here. So this black rug coming onto this floor will only be temporary. It will not be here permanent to stay just now because it's wood floors in here, it's cold, and eventually these floors are going to be changed anyway. So as you can see, we have the original wood, but the original wood is not really too great, and you can kind of repurpose, but I don't even want to do all that. Don't lean on that because it's glass and it will fall. So these floors are going to be changed. They're going to be like a lighter color, and they're going to be real nice. I'm going to show you. Well, yeah, they're going to be like a gray, in the gray family. I'm going to insert that to you. But in here it's a mess as well. As you can see, I'm just tired of stuff sitting in every corner. It's like, look, stuff there. You know, just like every corner of my house, I just feel like stuff is sitting in every corner, and I'm just sick of it because it just looks so cluttered and junky for me. You guys, this is me. As y'all can see, I just got some shorts on, a shirt, threw this little jacket on, sweater or whatever, because it is cool. My living room area stays cool. We have two different furnaces. We have a furnace that works the downstairs, and keeps this out downstairs stay much cooler. And then if you go upstairs is much warmer. You see my son behind me in that mirror jumping up and down. No, that's my daughter jumping up and down. Savannah. Oh, and my son back there too. Wave. Say hey.
Hi.
Bigger, but in here, see, it's two rugs put together, and they were real pushed together, like you see right here where my feet at. They were pushed together tight, but see, they keep coming open. So I think I'm about to just remove all this stuff out the way, and it's gonna be a struggle too because my husband not here. And then in here, take a good look how this look, y'all, because we about to clean this up, and then we're gonna get that shelf over there clean. Let's do a zoom in on that shelf. See a little bit better, that shelf, all that stuff like pops, and that it just I don't like it, because when you come into the house and you turn to the dining room, that shelf is the first thing you see, and it's just so junky. So I don't like how that look. I want to get that nice and cleaned off, and just, you know, get that together and yeah, so let's get started, you guys. So you guys, these is how the floors look. So they're not perfect, but like I said, these are the original floors to this home. So maybe they're not as bad as I thought they were. And maybe we can repurpose these floors and have the original wood floors. I'm sure my husband will like that because he's not really big on all that peel and stick type towel or like that towel that look like wood. But I actually like it, but I know he's gonna love the original floors better. My husband had those rugs nailed down. They didn't cause any damage to the floors because they were very tiny. So as you saw me, I just pulled those up. I'm going to get these floors mopped and swept. Okay, you guys, I got the floors mopped. I actually like how the floors look when they are mopped. So I'm thinking not doing anything to these floors like how I thought I was going to do, because I don't really think they look that bad like how in my mind. There's some areas that does, but you can't really see them. But I kind of like how this looks right now. So now what I'm about to do is bring that black rug in here, and that black rug does need cleaning, so I'm gonna clean it this weekend because we do have a carpet cleaner machine. So I will clean it this weekend, and I'm going to clean that. And what I am about to do is put that rug down and vacuum that rug really well. Fix the sofas. You just see me wiping down the table. I need to wipe down at the bottom very good and decorate my table back, fix my pillows, and just kind of dust off and clean the things that's, in here, and just do that. Basically, I'm really just cleaning up today. Then I'm going to go ahead and get those rugs in place in the dining room, but I'm going to definitely mop the dining room floor before I put the rugs down because it's really dusty in there from where that black rug was at. So yeah, let me do that. Okay, you guys, look, I have it down. So you see how much better that look? Now I'm about to give it a good vacuum. And then, see, with that other rug, the rug was not under the table. It was like in front of the table. I did not like how that looked. So now the table will actually, the table will actually sit on top of the rug. And I like how that look better. I really like how that's going to look. And yeah, I'm about to go ahead and vacuum, you guys. So let me do that. Okay, you guys, I got my sofa together. So I just got my little throw blankets just for decoration because I like the ends of it. Then I got my pillows together. I actually love a lot of pillows on my sofa. Some people come and always tell me I have too many pillows, but I actually want to get more. I love pillows on my sofa. I really do. So then I'm about to go ahead and move this. I'm about to vacuum first. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the table and put the table back in place. So see, this rug is longer. And what this does is now my table can actually sit on top of a rug. Because like I said, with the other two rugs, even though they were big when you put them two together, they were not as long. And that was the whole thing. They were not as long. So the table did not sit on top of the rugs. So now the table can sit on top of the rug. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum now.